खबर शामिल करते हैं सरगोधा से, जहां 14 साला शहरबानों के घर की चादर चारदीवारी का तकद्दुस पामाल करने पर सोशल मीडिया पर वीडियो वायरल हो गई, जिसमें सोशल मीडिया एक्टिविस्ट शहरबानों ने वालिद और गार्ड को धमकियां देने पर वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज और आईजी पंजाब डॉक्टर उस्मान अनवर को वाकई का जिम्मेदार ठहराया है। शहरबानों का क्या कहना था, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Hello, I'm Sheharbano. My house was once again raided by the Punjab police officers. My security guard was harassed, my parents were harassed, my father was threatened on the phone call that if he doesn't come to them at 8 AM tomorrow, my family has to face some serious consequences. I'm unable to understand why a 14-year-old like me is subjected to this mental torture. Is it because she decided to raise her voice for justice? And I want to make this clear that I won't stop. And if anything happens to me or my family, CM Punjab, Mariam Nawaz and IG Punjab will be held responsible. I request international human rights commissions to investigate this fascism. There have been events where people were abducted, tortured and then thrown in lifeless conditions. These acts won't stop an ideology to propagate, but will surely tarnish the image of CM Punjab, CM office and the police institutions. Once again, my life and my family's life is under threat, and in case of any harm, Mariam Nawaz and IG Punjab will be responsible.